Alrighty, we're at the Hyatt Regency in Atlanta. The upper floors are locked, but we can go to 22. So let's go. Here at 22. You coming down?
We're going up.
This is going down.
Okay.
Polaris is closed. Here's your COP, 3,000 pound capacity, Adams classic buttons, 88 phone. I forgot there's an indicator up there. Very cool cab. This is very cool. That indicator's dead. It's not dead, it's just hard to see. This is the Atrium Tower, by the way. We're at LL3. Let's go up to LL2 and get a different one. I don't want to switch down here. Yeah, this is a good place to switch. There goes that one. This is LL2.
Going down.
I told him this was LL2. Whatever. This one talks. Nope.
L3. Motor Lobby Atlanta Conference Center. Going up.
That one was locked. Oh, this one's locked.
Lobby level.
Weird. 2. And go up to 2. Well, that's weird. I wonder why that other one was unlocked. Weird. Well, then I guess I will try to get that one again.
Going down.